Good morning, I'm in the airport, just got my coffee. By the way, my name is properly Brighton today and I'm going today to Langkawi. Let's go, guys. It's quite a lot of people flying to Langkawi, so many flights for $50, but seems like all the flights are full, so many people.
It'll take 1 hour and just for the heck of it, another 4 minutes just to get you from here all the way to your holiday destination, Kuala, Langkawi. Assisting him is First Officer Cha, Mama Shah, your cabin crew in charge for today's flight. Assisting me are my ladies over here. They are not my wives, it's just my crew. So please do assist them, making sure that everybody's secure, ready for departure. Now make sure that, well, number one, all your window shades are fully open, seat in upright position, table stowed back to its original position, and you, of course, have fastened the seatbelt. Don't worry, it's free. Compliments of AirAsia. Alright, this is for their safety and, of course, for the sanity of your bank account. This prevents you from sending them to the hospital and depleting your bank account, giving everything to your doctors. So make sure that their seatbelt is securely fastened. If they cry, no problem. Children cry for everything. Last but not least, I need you to ask you the most difficult question to ask. Can you switch off your phone? I promise you won't lose your car, you won't lose your boyfriend, you won't lose your wife. I tried. No. But okay, so you won't lose anything. So just make sure you won't even lose the video you downloaded last night, whether it's legal or not, naughty or nice, it'll still be there. Okay, I promise you that. Take care of your health and your safety yourself as well as your loved ones. Till we meet again, take care. Assalamualaikum, God bless, and bye-bye.
Just landed in Langkawi. Beautiful weather, very hot. The speech of the cabin crew was hilarious. I put some fragments. Always pleasant to fly with AirAsia domestically. Anyway, I'm gonna rent now my bike and let's see what's Langkawi Island have to offer today. Check this out. Airport looks small, empty, however it's very hot. And well, everybody's saying as Langkawi is the best place in Malaysia, so let's see. Alright guys, I just left the airport, very small airport and very easy to communicate. I rent this bike, the PCX, little bit old, but $15 for 1.5 days. This is the length what I'm staying here, doing the great job. Anyways, was easy to do it, easy to rent it. I found the guy online, Uncle B, so nice name, that's why I choose him. This is the airport over there, just behind me, everywhere. And just on the other side is already the water. The island is pretty small. I'm going to check in the hotel and let's see, let's explore what is around here in Langkawi. So I just checked in Pantai Chenang in Langkawi in the Nadia's hotel just behind me. I just took this hotel because I'm staying for the one night. There is Starbucks next to me, so I have a place to having a coffee and edit the video, and there is like a mall just over there. There is the beach, however it's like a 34 is so hot. No, not many people are around because it's like super hot over here. So mall is behind me, also the KFC, little McDonald's with the ice creams, Pizza Hut, stuff like this. So it's the center and just behind me is the beach. I'm gonna go there. So technically this is like a center, Pantai Chenang area. I'm not sure actually what's the name of the city, Chenang maybe or something like that. There's the Mercure Hotel also if you would like to have a little bit better hotel. Another one, this is like a promenade with so many restaurants and cafes. However, it's that hot as not many people are around yet. I learned here as people are gonna start going out at 5, 6, 7 when it's cooler because and the beach in general looks like this one with the palm trees, white sand beach. I hope so maybe later when it's sunset time more people are gonna come here around. Also I'm gonna come back here vlog later on. Meanwhile I'm gonna explore as much as possible from the island today. I was like 10 minutes outside and I think it's time for the second coffee today. Also I found here very nice looking modern cafe. Here we go with the bar. Air-conditioned restaurant, really nice. Right, was cruising around the island and check this out what I found on the way to Kuah. I'm going there. There are actually like an eagle statue, but I'm impressed about this bay over here. I would like to fly drone over here a little bit to show you around. However, in this island there are so many eagles and I can see the 2 eagles actually cruising behind me. And my drone is small, but I will try anyway. So it's really beautiful over here actually. and then just arrived to the Kuah city, about 25 kilometers from the place where I stay, from the Chenang. Took me like half hour by bike. The roads here are so beautiful, by the way. And this place is famous for the Eagle Square, what you see just behind me, and also a huge jetty. And as you see, actually so many people coming here to making the picture with the characteristic eagle with the sign of Langkawi. It's beautiful weather, so that's the view of the square. There are some renovations work, that's why you can see the blue ribbon over there. However, the statue looks like this one, pretty impressive, and more people actually coming. It's actually a nice place for the pictures and chilling. And over there is the tower where I'm heading soon. And just behind me is the jetty, and now the one of the ships is going out. I think you can go to Penang from Langkawi or from Penang to Langkawi. However, I might be wrong, so you can correct me, guys. The weather is actually very nice in Langkawi, I have to say, really sunny. However, at 5, 6, now it's 6 o'clock, it's already not as that hot, so probably it's the best time to explore the island right now. But you have just, well, 1-2 hours before sunset time. Another thing what I wanted to see in Langkawi, in this city, in Kuah, is this tower. It's called Mahal Tower. Not sure what is the purpose of this tower. You could get inside, however, all the area here is closed right now. I'm not sure, just because of C-19 or I don't know, any other reasons. However, at night it's changing colors, and it's a little bit similar like a lighthouse, or maybe a little bit like an Eiffel Tower, something like that. However, it's closed, I cannot get inside and tell you more about that. However, I would like to show you, just present the tower itself. Alright, and I just come back to the Pantai Chenang. It's already 20 minutes to the sunset, and definitely much more people are around. So check this out. Let's see what we're gonna do today here. But I'm not sure if it will be sunset because there are like clouds now. But hopefully yes, guys. Anyway, at least it's busy right now. Look at this guy, he's making the cool attraction for the kids. So cool, actually. Definitely much more people now, right now on the beach, that's without doubts. The sunset's supposed to be there, but as you see, there is like a dark cloud. I didn't know as you can drive a car on this beach. That's actually cool. And definitely much more international tourists on this beach. This is like, you know, the most tourist beach and the most tourist island in Malaysia itself, in general. Totally different than to the beach where I was very close to the Kuala Lumpur. And I see also the loud music in the background. That's actually hard for me for vlogging. And yeah, looking into this car with this flag of Malaysia, looks like you are somewhere in Miami, right? But it's not American flag, it's Malaysian flag, and well, so many jet skis. Also very interesting thing is, as Langkawi Island is duty free, so you can find so many perfume shops or Eastern shops with the imported chocolates, slightly cheaper than elsewhere, but very easily accessible in Langkawi actually. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the nightlife in Chenang in Langkawi. This is like a very tourist place, so many restaurants and bars and stuff like this. So basically here in Langkawi, in Chenang especially where I am, is like a tourist place, of course, with so many restaurants, bars and the shops and the merchandises and massages and tours and everything. But one thing what I really like over here is that no matter which pasar I pass, which stall I pass, which tour box I pass, massage shop, whatever, nobody trying to sell me anything. Simply, if you want something, you're just gonna come there and ask them for that, right? No need to shouting on the full of the street, Mr. Buy something, all right? That's cool actually, very cool. It's also middle of the week, maybe not so many people are around, however most of the businesses are open, and well, it's actually very enjoyable.